Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in effects just to the background on CapCut Browser and not on the overlay. So for the background I'm just going to choose this one, and for the overlay I'm going to add on this video, put it on top of that other video. I'm also going to select Cutout so you can see the background. You don't have to use Cutout, you can just scale it down and then you'll be able to see the difference. So go to Effects and then select the effect you want to add. I'm just going to add the soft one, which I like. Actually, you won't be able to see it, so maybe like this one. I don't want it on the overlay, so I'm going to bring the effect down just to the background. And as you can see, it only will affect the background and not the overlay, but that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!